In last lecture we have covered till question number 18. Let's start with question number 19. Question number 19 is x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz equals to half into x plus y plus z times x minus y to the whole square, y minus z to the whole square, and z minus x to the whole square. This is question number 12 of exercise 2.5 NCERT chapter 2 polynomial, and I have done this question in my earlier videos also, and this question is very important from exam point of view. See how you will prove it. We can prove it by two methods, taking left hand side and then proving it to the right hand side, or either we can take right hand side first and then simplify and then making it to LHS. So let me do first one. Take RHS, x plus y plus z, and then x minus y square, y minus z square, z or z, whatever you call it. Okay, so now first of all let us open this. A minus b square is nothing but a square plus b square minus 2ab. Similarly, this is y square plus z square minus 2yz, and similarly this z square plus x square minus 2zx. So I hope this is clear to you. What I have done, I have opened the formula of a minus b to the whole square. Okay, so x square and there is x square, so this becomes 2x square. Now y square and y square, this becomes 2y square. Now z square and z square becomes 2z square. Now 2xy written already here, 2yz and 2zx. So let me pick all these and I can take 2 common from all the terms. Okay, so if you take 2 common from all the terms here, this denominator 2 will get cancelled from this 2 if you take common. So let us take common 2. So x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz and zx. And here it is same, 1 by 2 x plus y plus z. So this 2 and this 2 gets cancelled. Now this multiplied by this, I have already told you, it will give you 18 terms. See, when you multiply x by all the terms, 6 terms are there, y multiplied by all the terms, 6 terms are there, z multiplied by all the terms, again 6 terms. So finally you will have 18 terms, and among 18 terms 12 terms will get cancelled, and you're left with 6 terms, and those 6 terms are x cube, y cube, z cube, all are positive, and 3 terms will be minus xyz, minus xyz, minus xyz becomes minus 3xyz. So basically इन दोनों का जो प्रोडक्ट होता है वो बेसिकली एक आइडेंटिटी है जिसको हमने पहले भी यूज किया है. So this identity is x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz, and that is what? Hence proof. This is LHS. You no need to multiply. I just told you the process. This was the identity we can use it here. Okay, so that was the question number 19. So now let us do question number 20. So let us do question number 20. Determine the point on the graph 2x plus 5y equal to 19 where the ordinate means y, ordinate का मतलब होता है y, is मतलब equal to 1.5 times its abscissa, और abscissa होता है x, ordinate होता है y, abscissa होता है x. So ordinate is 1.5 times the x, that means 3 by 2x, cross multiply, so just leave it, no need to multiply. Even y equals to 3 by 2x, put the value of y here. Okay, so 2x plus, this is given, we need to find x and y coordinates. This is also given, y is 1.5 times x, so that from that relationship we use this relation here to convert this into one variable so that we can find the value of x or y. Either you can put the value of x in terms of y here, then you will find y first. It doesn't matter whether you find x first or y first, both you have to find. Okay, so one thing you find and second thing from here you can find. Let me substitute y as 3 by 2 here, so this becomes y into 3 by 2x. This is called substitution method. Okay, you will learn in 10th class. There are two linear equations. Okay, so y is 3 by 2x, so I have substituted the value of y 3 by 2x. So y की जगह पर 3 by 2x रख दिया मैंने जहाँ पर y था. So this is 2x plus 5 3s are 15 into x divided by 2 equal to 19. और यहाँ से आपने एलसीएम लिया 2 2 2s are 4 x plus का 15x और यहाँ से आपका 15 और 4 19x डिवाइड बाई 2 था, तो जस्ट मल्टीप्लाई इट, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई, 19 गेट्स कैंसिल, तो x की वैल्यू 2 आ गई, एंड if you substitute x here, so y becomes 3/2 times 2, so 2 से 2 cancel, so y becomes 3. So the coordinate is always write abscissa first and ordinate second. So abscissa comma ordinate becomes a coordinate in two-dimensional plane Cartesian coordinate system. So 2, 3 is the required point in which the ordinate is 1.5 times the abscissa, 3 is 1.5 times 2, and also this satisfies this equation. 2 2s are 4, 5 3s are 15, and 4 is 19. So that satisfies our required solution. Okay, so this is the answer, 2, 3 coordinate. So let us do question number 21. Question number 21. We are required to evaluate this. So question says evaluate 2 raised power 0 plus 8 over root 2 minus 32 raised power 1/2 plus root 5 plus root 2 times root 5 minus root 2 minus 8 raised power 2/3. 2 raised power 0 is 1, 8 is 2 into 4, you can write it, and 2 you can write root 2 times root. This thing you must know, that 2 is root 2 square. So this 2 can be written as root 2 times root 2, so 1 root 2 gets cancelled, and here you can write 2 raised power 5, 32 raised power 1/2. Okay, 2 raised power 5 and 1/2 plus this is a plus b times a minus b, so a square minus b square, so root 5 square minus root 2 square, and then 8 is 2 raised power 3 into 2/3, 3 से 3 cancel, so यहाँ 1 आया plus 4 root 2, और यहाँ पर 2 raised power 5/2. Okay, 2 raised power 5/2, and then root 5 square is 5 and root 2 square is 2, 5 minus 2, and there is 2 square which is 4. Okay, so 5 minus 2 is 3, 3 minus 4 is minus 1 and plus 1, so plus 1, 4 root 2 minus 2 raised power 5/2, and plus 5 minus 2 is 3, and 3 minus 4 is minus 1, so this plus 1 and minus 1 gets cancelled, so now you are left with 4 root 2 minus 2 raised power 5/2. Now see, ये दोनों इक्वल नहीं है, बट दोनों 2 की पावर्स में एक्सप्रेस हो सकते हैं, तो लेट मी एक्सप्रेस इट इन 2 raised power 2 पावर्स. ओके, सो 4 को 2 स्क्वायर लिख सकते हो, रूट 2 को 2 raised power 1/2, ये तो 2 की पावर में ऑलरेडी है. अब यहाँ बेस सेम है तो पावर ऐड हो जाएंगी. अब पावर ऐड करोगे तो क्या बनेगा आपके पास, 2 raised power, ऊपर लिख रहा हूँ मैं यहाँ से, 2 raised power 2 और 1/2 ऐड करोगे, बेस सेम पावर ऐड, माइनस 2 raised power 5/2. यहाँ से एलसीएम लोगे तो 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5/2, so this power is 2 raised power 5/2. बेसिकली दोनों इक्वल थे, तो आंसर कितना आ गया हमारा, 0, कैंसिल आउट हो गए. दैट वाज क्वेश्चन नंबर 22. सो लेट अस डू क्वेश्चन नंबर 23. नाउ लेट अस डू क्वेश्चन नंबर 23. यस, तो 23rd क्वेश्चन है असाइनमेंट का. zeros of the polynomial you are required to find. x plus 2 square, x minus, यहाँ माइनस है और यहाँ प्लस है. Okay, find the zero of the polynomial. So px is the polynomial. Let us find the zero. Let us first simplify it. a square plus b minus 2ab. a square plus b square minus 2ab. फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करा. यहाँ पर भी a square plus b square plus 2ab. ओपन करो इसको, तो x square plus 4 minus 4x minus x square minus 4 minus 4x. x square and x square 4 and 4, तो it becomes minus 8x. So polynomial के जीरो निकालने के लिए what we do, we put polynomial px equal to 0. That implies px polynomial value minus 8x है equal to 0. So x is 0 over minus 8, but 0 over minus 8 is 0. So what is the zero of the polynomial? The number itself 0. X equal to 0 is the zero of the polynomial, and 0 is also called the root or solution. So what is the root of this polynomial? 0 is the root of the polynomial. That was question number 23. Twenty-fourth question is write the degree or find the degree of x minus 1 to whole cube and 1 plus x square. So no need to expand it. The degree is basically 5. तो आंसर क्या होगा 5. मुझे कैसे पता लगा? सी, जब आप इसे ओपन करोगे तो उसमें एक्स क्यूब की टर्म डेफिनेटली आएगी, और टर्म्स भी आएंगी, बट वो एक्स की या एक्स या कांस्टेंट होंगी. यहाँ पर हाईएस्ट टर्म x रेज पावर 2 है, और जब आप इनकी मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो बेस सेम होने पर पावर ऐड होंगी, तो इसकी हाईएस्ट पावर x3 है और इसकी हाईएस्ट पावर x2 है, तो हाईएस्ट टर्म, हाईएस्ट डिग्री टर्म क्या होगी, हाईएस्ट पावर वाली टर्म वेरिएबल x की हाईएस्ट पावर 5 भी हो सकती है उस पूरे एक्सप्रेशन में जब आप मल्टीप्लाई करके निकालोगे, तो डेफिनेटली डिग्री क्या होती है, हाईएस्ट पावर ऑफ द वेरिएबल, सो हाईएस्ट पावर इज 5, 3 + 2 बेसिकली। ठीक है, तो 1 मार्क क्वेश्चन था, तो आपको आंसर लिख देना डायरेक्टली, लेकिन आपको लॉजिक पता होना चाहिए। 25th, शो दैट p - 1 इज अ फैक्टर, हमें दिखाना है p - 1 इज अ फैक्टर ऑफ p raised power 10 - 1 also p raised power 11 - 1। ओके, लेट अस टेक द पॉलिनोमियल, इसका नाम fx रख लेते हैं, ऑलरेडी p यूज किया हुआ है, तो p raised power 10 - 1। ओके, fp रख लेते हैं बिकॉज द वेरिएबल इज p हियर, तो fp इज दिस पॉलिनोमियल। नाउ p - 1 इसका फैक्टर है, तो हमें इसको दिखाने के लिए रिमाइंडर थ्योरम यूज करते हैं। सो लेट p - 1 इज 0, सो p बिकम्स 1, सो f ऑफ p निकालते हैं, तो f ऑफ p इज 1 raised power 10 - 1, तो इट इज 1 - 1, तो दिस बिकम्स 0। तो मैंने आपको लिखवाया था इफ p of a is 0 then x minus a is the factor। now f of variable यहाँ पर x की जगह p है, doesn't matter, if f of 1 is 0 then we can say p - 1 is a factor of the polynomial fp which is p raised power 10 - 1, and why this is true, this is because of factor theorem। इसका प्रूफ भी आपको मिल जाएगा वीडियो में देखोगे तो रिमाइंडर थ्योरम भी यूज हुई है और फैक्टर थ्योरम, बेसिकली फैक्टर थ्योरम से कंक्लूड किया कि p - 1 इसका फैक्टर है। सिमिलरली आप p को 1 यहाँ डालोगे तो 1 की पावर 11 विल बी 1, 1 - 1 विल बी 0, सो अगेन इसका भी फैक्टर हो जाएगा। ओके, okay, so till 25 questions we have covered in this video, other questions we will cover in next lecture।